Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Poltergeist, a stealth class that you can use in Battle Royale mode. So let's see the detail first. Go to Loadout Battle Royale and tap the bottom of your screen, the class page. This is the class page. Total there are 5 class that you can use. What I want to show you, this one is the stealth class, the poltergeist. So this is the active K mode, and you will become near invincible, not completely vanish for a short duration. And also there is a passive trait from the stealth class that reduces your movement noises. And why become near, not completely? Let's see the more detail of it. Tap the yellow icon. This one grants invisibility during which movement speed is increased. Not only invincible, but your movement also increase. And I'm said before, it's not completely invincible, but near invincible, because nearby opponent or nearby enemies still will be notified there is a hostile. So uh, you cannot go too near to your enemies because you are still hostile. The hostility of your enemy will notify. And also there are passive trade for walker. So your running will increase and walking speed also increases. Let's try in the Battle Royale training ground. Welcome to Battle Royale training ground. As you can see, there's enemy in front of me. So the poltergeist already active. As you can see, I'm being invincible. But not too close to the enemy because the enemy still can hostile to you. So give it a try in actual game rank mode. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.